Alright, so here at Easy Fix we got another Google Pixel 4 and it looks like it won't charge. First things first, we have to get into the phone by taking the back glass off the device. Carefully using a removal tool, go around the edges of the device with about 3 to 5 millimeters of the tool inside the phone, after the device has been sitting on hot plate for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the adhesive is released from the back glass, begin to carefully open up the Pixel 4 like a book. Now be very careful while opening this device since the wireless inductive coil is attached using a flex cable. We will now need to detach the flex cable from the logic board, but since Google doesn't use Phillips screws anymore, we gotta break out the Torx bits. The flex plate is just held on by 2 screws, so let's go ahead and remove those. Now that we have the back glass off, let's go ahead and get the new charging port in. This won't be hard at all. First, we need to remove the plate on the top of the main connections to disconnect the battery. Next, we will need to remove the battery, adding a little bit of isopropyl alcohol around the edges to help the battery pull tab not break. We will now need to use a heat gun to evaporate all the existing alcohol from the device. Next, the loudspeaker will need to be removed in order to get to the charging port, but first we have to take out all the screws. Now that we have the old charging port out, let's go ahead and put the new one in and reassemble the entire device. Unfortunately, the client came in after the phone was finished up and we did not actually get a chance to get a shot of the final product after the phone was actually showing that it was charging. But I can ensure that we did show the customer that it was charging, and the customer was very excited to see that their phone was actually charging again and the charging port wasn't blown to pieces. And it looks like we're falling. Still falling. This is Ethan here with Easy Fix. Hope you enjoyed this video. We are constantly trying to find new things such as this vertical video idea. If you enjoy all the new content on the channel and you aren't subscribed, go ahead and pause the video and hit that big red subscribe button. And don't forget to ring that little bell next to it so you always know when our next video is going up. Alright, so it looks like we're all finished up with this device, and if you guys enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to leave a like on the video, slap that like button 2021 style, don't be afraid of it. Anyways, this is Ethan, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, peace.